What are the 6 work from home job ideas for the hospitality industry? Do you know that you can work from home and also make money in hospitality industry? The hospitality industry has been especially hard hit due to aggressive social distancing and stay-at-home orders around the world to stop the spread of the virus and the pandemic. Hospitality may not be the first industry that comes to mind when you think of remote working opportunities, but in fact, in multiple career paths often allow you as an employees to telecommute all or part of the time. Here are 6 likely hospitality industry positions that may be available for remote work when the recovery begins of the hospitality industry. What's up you guys, it's Preetham here, and if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm a professional cook based in the USA working currently at a healthcare. So in this video, we can look at how you can use your skill as a hospitality worker and work from home. But without further ado, let's see what are the options you have. Because I value your time, I'll put timestamp on the description. You can check that out. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for YouTube algorithm. And it is completely free and it encourages me to make more good content just for you. Number 1 is reservation sales agent. Both the hotel and the cruise industry often seek candidates for this position. These employees are required to take bookings from the incoming reservation calls as well as general reservation, email, and to assist with the guest inquiries related to hotel services hours operation. So the reservation agents are also responsible for contacting the guest before to arrival and confirm the reservation and guest preferences, identifying the VIP guests and communicating their travel details such as specific request and the arrival time to the hotel or the relevant cruise ship staff can also be an essential part of this role. So a professional phone manner and a very clear writing abilities are usually necessary for this kind of job. If you ask me, I would recommend you to have a LinkedIn profile, and from there you just need to go to the job section and search for hotel reservation sales agent and make your location remote, and there you have it. But I repeat, you should make a LinkedIn profile. It will help you in the long run. Think like it is your online resume where you can showcase your work. Can you imagine? I didn't make a profile until the last year, and lucky me, I got my current job from that profile. On the next one, I have business development manager. These managers are typically hired by large hotel brands and in charge of building, developing, and implementing their business strategies that target a specific audience, which can be a business travelers with a small or medium-sized businesses or leisure travelers like you and me within a designated geographic area. But the business development manager's objective is to secure new business opportunities for a hotel or a hotel brand targeting a various kind of group and organization, association to develop new clients account while they are managing their existing client business. I believe these job candidates often have an entrepreneurial spirit and they have like embracing partnership marketing and have an experience in cultivating and converting their current customers from a prospect to sign the contract. Question of the day, out of 6 jobs, which you think is the easiest? Let me know in the comments down below. On the next one, I have area sales manager. This position can be similar to a business development manager, but often you work for a smaller hotel organization for this one, and you will have a greater involvement with your client and about their contract. So while they will still prospect for new businesses and drive loyalty from existing accounts, and they may also assist with group rooming list and daily inspection of their guest folio, communicating with the front desk on group or VIP guest arrival regarding through their billing and other guest communications like special requests from the group leaders and many more. And with that said, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. It's completely free to do it and it's motivate me to create more content just like that. On the next one is e-commerce manager. So these managers work either with an e-commerce department or sales department depending on their size of the hotel organization. So what does e-commerce managers do? They are with the charge of improving market share and driving their sales for their company sales from the online channels and maintaining the online sales experience by analyzing, reviewing, recommending, and finally implementing their digital strategies that can include in their hotel website optimization and search engine optimization, with the copywriting involving keyword placement, tags and calls to action, third-party website, social media marketing, and inbound link development from relevant sites and directories. Okay, that's a lot of things to understand, but the main thing is that you need to know an e-commerce manager will promote his or her company online and make a profit out of it. By doing so, they will also be able to advertise how good or bad their company are, and at this point you have to love analytics and data, because to be a good at this job you need that. Moreover, although, and this could be a virtual position, if you as a manager will still need to have a strong interpersonal skill, as they will be a part of the team. On the next one, I have digital marketing manager. There are some similarities between e-commerce managers and digital marketing managers, and this is a very subtle similarity. Although the main point of the difference is that e-commerce positions are usually offered by large hotel organizations, while the marketing managers work in a small or very tinier hotel groups and individual hotels, if you please, and where they will likely to report their director sales and marketing. Thanks to 2020, mostly everything is in online now, and that is exactly what the digital marketer do, managing the hotel's website, social media platforms, and messaging and advertising on a third-party platforms. They may also assist with the graphic design projects and coordinating other miscellaneous marketing work as needed, such as building a custom list from the company database to create an electronic newsletter like e-commerce managers do. As a digital marketing manager, you will need some prior experience. If you have some experience in the field already, that is a very bonus point. On the next one, I have revenue manager. This is a sales related position, as the revenue managers must monitor their profitability and growth compared with the prior year, while also reviewing the hotel pricing and positioning compared with its competitive set and providing this segment strategies that are also aligned with the revenue management initiative prior to this experience and hotel revenue management. It's almost always a requirement as our analytical skills, as it requires to collect the industry data and experience with the various automated system. So just give it a think, and if you think about these ideas over and over again, if you fall into any of the similar category, then I'm encouraging you right here, right now, to go ahead and just apply for the job. And if you can, let me know what kind of content you'd like me to make and in the comments down below. And that is for today. Make sure to check my other videos about my work, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for YouTube algorithm. And you can follow me on Instagram, and I will see you on next week.